So, as a student of Adekunle Ajasin University, I would like to congratulate you first. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you very much.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So it means say you be shy, you will be picking.
Well, actually, I'm not a child. But I do celebrate with people that are celebrating. So I celebrate with all the children, in the world today. All the children in the world.
God wants us there. We are definitely going to get there. That's why I need your support. Not only you, the whole of AAUites.
AAUites, because we have what it takes to become the student union president of this noble school. And until you
join the moving train, the mission might not be possible. As it stands, I'm preaching and I'm extending my word. I'm titillating all Nigerian students to join this moving train in achieving this colossal dream. Stop. It's okay, please. If you don't join this dream might not be achievable. That's why I'm here to solicit for your support in mass, in a colossal way, in an elaborate way to achieve this dream. Because without you, it's not achievable. And I want you to know, a word says, and I quote, according to Obafemi Awolowo, the best gift you can give your fellow man is love. The only way you can display this love is to come out and support the right candidate that has the capacity and capability, attitude, not your aptitude, will take you to a greater altitude. And I want you to join this move. Aspire to inspire before what? Before you aspire. Thank you. My name still remains the same. Master B at SU001. God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Oh, good afternoon, brother.
Sir. Good afternoon.
How are you doing, brother?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine.
Yeah, how was your day?
It was fine.
Hope it wasn't stressful.
You know, my day is going fine. This is just Otiri. My day is going fine, sir.
Which means that you can leave this school by 8 o'clock, anytime.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. You are free, sir.
We like to ask you some questions.
You are free, sir.
Yo, I think you know about Mississippi very well.
Mississippi. No, you know what? Firstly, my brother, if it's not what it has to do with union, please kindly deviate your attention from there. I'm a unionist. I'm not a people that play puzzle game. You understand it? So if it has to do with union, you are free. There's an open floor. Are you getting it? So if it has to do with union, I'm ready to give the full attention. Are you getting it?
Okay, another question.
Because now have to do with union, let me excuse myself. Are you getting it? Cut.
Who is the current visitor to Adekunle Ajasin University?
My brother, that hasn't got to do with union. That has to do with management. Anything pertaining to school, ask me. That's what you are here for. You are not here to ask me a technical question. Just go ahead. Whatever that pertaining to students, Nigerian students, and for other things. That's what I'm aspiring for. Are you getting it? Then if it has to